my sparkly Valentine. The boutique is ready for Valentine's Day. "Oh, Minnie," says Daisy, "your decorations look lovely." "Very artistic," adds Cuculoca. "Oh, good," says Minnie. "Mickey will be here soon, and I want everything to be perfect." Suddenly, the door flies open. It's Millie and Melody. "Happy Valentine's Day!" they shout. "Were you expecting them?" Daisy asks. "Let's have a party," Millie says. Minnie laughs. "A party is a perfect idea." "Hooray!" the girls shout. "Did someone say party?" asks Cuculoca, flying in with some treats. "Cookies!" the twins squeal. "Let's decorate them." "Oh boy," moans Daisy. "Here we go." "I'm making this one for my best friend," says Melody. Millie looks up. "Who?" she asks. "You silly," laughs Melody. "Ay, ay, ay," says Cuculoca. "That's a lot of icing." "Okay, everyone," says Daisy. "Time to clean up." "But we have to make bubbly wobbly bow bands," Melody says. "Bubbly wobbly what bands?" asks Daisy. "We need springy thingies," says Millie. "And feathers," adds Melody. "And glue, too." "Here you go," says Minnie, bringing out supplies. Before long, the twins finish their bow bands. "How adorable," says Minnie. "How fun," adds Daisy. "Now let's make big paper hearts," says Melody. The girls draw big hearts on paper and start cutting. "I have more paper in the back," says Minnie. "The twins are making such a mess," says Daisy. "But they're having such fun," Minnie giggles. "I'll ask them to clean up soon." "Let's hang our paper hearts up," says Melody. "I can't watch," Cuculoca says. Millie slips and pulls a string of hearts off the wall. "I'm out of here," says Cuculoca. "Look what I found," says Melody, reaching for a box full of glitter. Whoops! Glitter goes everywhere. "It's okay," says Millie, tossing a handful of glitter into the air. "Everything looks better sparkly." Minnie and Daisy return from the storeroom. "Oh my goodness!" exclaims Minnie. "What happened?" Daisy gasps. "We decorated," Melody says. "Well, it's a perfectly sparkly mess," Minnie says with a smile. Millie and Melody give their aunt a big hug. "We knew you'd like it," says Melody. Just then, the door swings open. "Hi, everybody," says Mickey. "Oh, boy, what happened?" "We had a party," cries Millie. "And we used glitter," says Melody. Mickey laughs. "Oh, say!" "Happy Valentine's Day," says Minnie. "Thanks," says Mickey. "Say, I want to ask you if you, Mickey looks at his flowers. Just a second. Could you add a little sparkle?" he asks the twins. The girls are happy to help. "That's better," he says. "Now, where was I?" "Minnie," says Mickey, "will you be my sparkly Valentine?" Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney, Mickey, Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.